This is a video demo of the Smart Tank doing a vacuum leak down test. On the right, we've got our vital cap. It's connected to a sample line. That sample line is connected to a 4-way petcock with a syringe teed into it, and that is connected to port A on the Smart Tank. Also notice that the exhaust port on the vital cap is blocked using some tube and fittings that are found in the general adapter kit. Once you make sure all your connections are good, you can go ahead and start the test. You do this by going to Single Test, clicking on Leak Down, entering the asset ID and the operator, and then going to the fill method and changing this to manual. This is because we have to provide the vacuum with the syringe. And then we need a vacuum target instead of a pressure target. So we're going to make this a negative 200. And we'll leave the duration in the max drop amount. Then you just hit start. Now it's waiting for us to create the vacuum. So we'll go ahead and just pull on the syringe till we get around the 200. Maybe a little above here. And we switch and close off the syringe from the rest of the system. And then once it kind of stabilizes a little bit, we hit the start timer feature. That will start our timer and it will kind of get a starting average value after it settles. Now the test is done. You can see that the drop was 3.8 millimeters of mercury, which means we passed. We can go ahead and hit the done button and generate a test report, and that test report will have all those details in it for your records.